is going to be a video product review of the USB-C to USB 3.0 adapter. I'll leave an affiliate link in the video description. Let me explain what these are. Okay, so the newer phones use the USB-C connector. A lot of people don't have the newer plug. Say that you've got a phone that uses this plug, but you've got the old USB-A adapter. This is a USB-A. So you might have a whole bunch of chargers at home that are the USB-A, and you cannot plug a USB-A into a USB-C. Let me show you what the connectors are. This is an older telephone with the USB micro connector. So the old USB micro connectors, you would have a charger, a standard USB charger, which has the standard USB-A, and then you would have the micro plug. Now you have the USB-C on the phone. So if you're lucky, you've got the USB-A connector on your charger, just like the other one, and you have a USB-C plug that will plug into the newer telephones. But you might need something like this. This is called an OTG, an on-the-go cable. And so what this allows you to do is connect that to your USB-C on the cell phone and connect a cable, which will have a USB-A, into here, and then plug it into your computer or whatever it's plugged into. Sometimes this is used when you are going live and you want to power up your cell phone. You can plug this in, you can plug this into your adapter or your USB bank and charge things up. Another use for this cable, it's very handy whether you're plugging this into your cell phone or you're plugging this into your laptop. If you plug this in to the cell phone, you can plug a mouse into here, a standard mouse, or a standard keyboard, or a gamepad, or a USB hub, or a flash drive, or even a hard drive. And if you're able to plug in the old USB-A into here and connect this to a cell phone or to a laptop, you should be able to have access to whatever peripheral you plug into it. So the advantage of this cable is enormous. You can purchase 3 of these for a very reasonable price. This one I purchased from zjcxin, I don't know how to pronounce it. These were about $7. Have a phone or a laptop or a tablet with the newer connectors, plug this into the laptop, the tablet, the phone, and then you can connect your USB 3, your hard drive, your mouse, your flash drive, your keyboard, your gamepad, your USB hub, and it should detect it. An example would be if you have a flash drive and the computer or the tablet does not have the older style USB-A, it only has the USB-C, you would plug this cable into the USB-C port on whatever you're using. You would take your flash drive, you would plug it into this end of the cable, and the computer with the USB port would be able to detect your flash drive. So it's a very handy cable, they're very inexpensive. Always good to have a few of them around the house if you do things like streaming or trying to power things up with the older style USB-A. Again, I'll leave an affiliate link in the video description in case you want to buy this. Please do a thumbs up, subscribe, a like, a share. Donation link in the video description. Thanks for watching.